These 5 prints might just change your life, or at least your day to day. But are they really that useful? Let's find out. Check out this 3D print. Can you guess what it is? That's right, it's a holder for your Uno cards. So I went camping recently, and man, it was windy. And all of my Uno cards were blowing all over the place, and I had to find a design that had a place to hold both the pickup cards and the discard pile. So this is a really good print. You could also use this little portion as a discard as well, so you can just go ahead and put your cards in there as you discard them. Let's see what we got. Oh, reverse and a skip. Nice, I love it. Let me know in the comments, is it useful? Is it something you'd use? And if not, let me know what you'd print. Need a safe place to lock up your stuff? Here's the next print for you. Up next, we have this locking container. I know everyone's so excited about the containers. Not really, but I love containers because I think they're super useful and you have a million things around your house you didn't know you need to store. So check this out. So instead of a traditional screw top lid, this one has a locking lid. So what you do is you just turn it once like that, and then you pull up. You can see the locking mechanism right there inside the lid, but this actually comes in different sizes, so it doesn't have to be this small. You can print it pretty big, or you can make it even smaller if you have a little tiny stash you want to put in there. But you can also do it, as always, in any color. You can switch up the lid color from this color. You can paint it. There's just a lot of options you have with different storage containers. Also, this would make a pretty good gift, especially in pink, for your girlfriend, your wife, for yourself, who knows? Watch videos hands-free with this tiny print. Check out this little teeny tiny print. I mean, this thing is smaller than the size of her credit card, and it has a cool little keychain hole. Can you guess what it is? So if you fold it like this, push the middle piece up like that, and now it's a holder for your phone. So all you would do is set it right there. I don't have a phone on me, obviously, because I'm filming. And then you would just set your phone right there. Obviously, your phone is gonna be bigger. Well, I hope it is, but I know some people have kickstands on their phones and pop sockets, but I like how this sits a little bit higher. You know, it's not as down, especially if you're tall like me and you're sitting at a desk. You don't wanna be tilting your head all the way down. You want something that's a little bit higher. But this also has a multicolored print where you can do it in a single color as well. It's really easy to store. You could literally put this in your pocket. Ever wish you had an extra set of hands while you're doing your project? Then this print is for you. Check out this useful 3D print. Can you guess what it is? That's right, it's a desktop or a workbench vise. So all you do is put it on the side of your work area. You go and tighten that up like that. And then you put whatever you're working on right here in the middle of the vise and you tighten up. It works just like any other vise, but it's fully 3D printed. If you have a bunch of projects you're working on and you don't have time to run out to the store, then this is the perfect print for you. I'm telling you, you literally just print it out, slide it together, and it's ready to rock. You can put little prints in there as you paint them, minifigs, jewelry. You could probably even hold your phone in this if you wanted to film, like if you didn't have a setup. If you love to organize, this print is for you. Check out this useful print. Can you guess what it is? I know what you're thinking. Yes, it is a storage container, but this one, I promise you, is awesome because it's not just any storage container. Obviously, it's threaded. It's got this pretty big storage compartment right here, but check this out. The top is also a storage container. So what you can do is not only you can use that lid on this piece right here, you can also use it for this little piece right here. And what's crazy is this isn't even the smallest size. So you could print them smaller, you could print them bigger, and you can connect it all together. I mean, you can go as long as you wanted to. I don't know if you made like jewelry or something, you have a bunch of small ones and then you're on the go. You can make your jewelry on the go, have all the tiny pieces in there. If you play Warhammer, you can put all your little tiny pieces here, Dungeons and Dragons, whatever you got. Even craft stuff, popsicle sticks, color pencils, markers. This actually will make a great gift for anyone that's crafty in your life. So tell me, which one of these prints could change your life? Let me know down in the comments if these are genius or overrated. As always, you can find all these files and every single file I post in the link in my bio. If you're on YouTube, it's in the description. Just click on Steal My Files.